Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize connect GA4 to Softr step by step clearly. To connect Google Analytics 4 or GA4 to Softr, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Select the GA4 property you wish to connect. Next, navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left corner. Under the property column, find and click on Data Streams. Select the web data stream associated with the website you want to track. In the data stream settings, locate the measurement ID, which starts with G-. Copy this measurement ID to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and log into your Softr account. Select the application you want to integrate with GA4. Go to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. Paste the measurement ID that you copied from Google Analytics into the designated field. Make sure to save your changes. Next, return to your Google Analytics account. To confirm the connection, navigate back to the reporting view in GA4. Click on the real-time report to check if your Softr application is sending data. Interact with your Softr application to generate some activity. Monitor the real-time report to see if data is being recorded. Once you see activity, the integration is successful. You are now ready to analyze user behavior on your Softr application using GA4. Congratulations on completing the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.